And here's our next destination, the large babbling brook, in a place called Carter's Notch, New Hampshire. Jackson, New Hampshire. Carter's Notch in Jackson, New Hampshire. Because the house up the street is for sale, and it's on Carter's Notch Road.
I want it.
With low price of $700,000. It's pink.
It's perfect.
Well, so that's what we're doing today. We're kind of hanging out. Forest bathing.
And house hunting.
House hunting. Sure. We'll see about that. Oh well, you guys have a great one. Talk to you soon.